अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का हमारा ऐसे है माय फेवरेट बुक द होली कुरान। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। My favorite book is the Holy Quran. It is the last book of Allah. It was revealed to our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Holy Quran is written in Arabic. This book is full of guidance and wisdom. It teaches us how to live a good and honest life. It tells us about right and wrong, truth and falsehood, and how to be kind and fair to others. There are 114 surahs in the Quran. Each surah has a special message. The Quran talks about prayers, fasting, helping the poor, and being respectful to parents. I love to read the Quran. It brings peace to my heart when I read it. I feel close to Allah. My parents and teachers always tell me to follow its teachings. The Holy Quran is not just my favorite book, it is the best book in the world. I learn something new and good from it every time. ऐसे था माई फेवरेट बुक द होली कुरान। तो उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोज़ के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।